Have you ever wondered what it would be like to lose your sight? Imagine a world where colors, shapes, and faces become a faded memory, and you're left to navigate the world through touch, sound, and intuition. Quite a daunting prospect, isn't it? Now, imagine an interior village where this is not just a thought experiment, but a chilling reality. Welcome to the mysterious village of Tiltepec in Mexico, a place that has earned the eerie nickname, the Village of the Blind. Here, it's said that both residents and animals inexplicably lose their vision after spending a certain amount of time. Picture this, a village tucked away in the heart of Mexico, home to around 70 windowless houses and approximately 300 residents. A place where darkness is not just a part of the night, but a constant companion. In Tiltepec, the daily symphony of life is played out not through sight, but through the other senses. The rustling of leaves becomes a language. The whispering winds act as guides, and the sense of touch becomes a lifeline. The villagers have adapted to this unusual way of life, with a few sighted individuals assisting the visually impaired. But what could possibly be the cause of such a bizarre phenomenon? Is it some kind of a medical anomaly, a cosmic event, or is there a supernatural explanation behind it? The villagers have their own theories, with folklore blaming a cursed tree named Labajuela. Scientists, on the other hand, point to a more earthly cause, toxic flies that bite the inhabitants. The truth, it seems, is shrouded in a cloak of mystery, much like the village itself. But one thing is for certain, Tiltepec is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, a place where people have learned to embrace the darkness and find their own light. Now, let's delve deeper into this enigmatic phenomenon. Their stories, their struggles, and their triumphs, all waiting to be told in the chapters to come. Welcome to Tiltepec, otherwise known as the Village of the Blind. Tucked away in the heart of Mexico, this village is shrouded in an enigma that has puzzled both locals and scientists alike. A place where sight is a luxury and darkness is the norm. The village is home to around 300 residents, living in a unique collection of 70 windowless houses. Yes, you heard it right, windowless. Such architectural design choice is not an aesthetic preference, but rather a necessity dictated by the unusual circumstances these villagers find themselves in. Life in Tiltepec is far from ordinary. The normal sounds of a bustling village are replaced by the soft tapping of canes and the whispered guidance of sighted individuals. The villagers have adapted their lifestyles to their circumstances, developing enhanced senses of touch, hearing, and smell to navigate their environment. Among the sea of visually impaired villagers, there are a few fortunate individuals who have retained their vision. These sighted residents play a crucial role in the village's day-to-day life. They act as guides, helping their fellow villagers with tasks that require sight. From shopping for groceries to crossing the streets, these sighted individuals are the pillars of support in this unique community. Despite the hardship, the villagers of Tiltepec have formed a tightly knit community, built on mutual aid and shared experiences. Their spirit, resilience, and the will to thrive even in the face of adversity are truly inspiring. Yet the question remains, what could possibly be causing this blindness? The answer may surprise you, as it involves a blend of local folklore and scientific hypothesis, but we'll delve into that in the next scene. For now, let's ponder over the mystery that is Tiltepec, the Village of the Blind. Folklore blames a cursed tree, while science points to toxic flies. In the heart of the village of the blind, a legend has taken root, as deeply entrenched as the gnarled branches of the infamous Labajuela tree. This tree, according to local myth, is said to be cursed, casting a shroud of darkness over anyone who dares to reside in its shadow. The villagers whisper tales of the Labajuela's malevolent power, passed down through generations. It's no ordinary tree, they say. Its mere presence is enough to rob one of their precious sight, the curse seeping into the soil, the air, the very essence of Tiltepec. They live in the tree's ominous shadow, a constant reminder of the supernatural force they believe has ensnared their village in an unending night. But not all are convinced by the tale of the cursed Labhajuela. Enter the scientists armed with hypotheses and theories, dismissing the supernatural for the natural. They point not to the tree, but to the humble fly, an insect as common as it is overlooked. In these scientists' perspective, the true culprits are toxic flies, their bites delivering a potent toxin that targets the optic nerves. The evidence? The flies in Tiltepec they've discovered are unlike any other. A unique species, perhaps, carrying a unique venom. They propose that these seemingly ordinary pests are the silent thieves of sight, their tiny bites wreaking havoc unseen. Two narratives, one supernatural, the other scientific, coexist in this enigmatic village. The cursed Labhajuela tree standing tall in its haunting grandeur, and the toxic flies buzzing in the periphery, each with their own tale of darkness. Yet, the answers aren't as clear-cut as they seem. The cursed tree or the toxic flies, supernatural or natural, myth or science? The lines blur, the theories overlap, and the villagers, they continue to live their lives in the shadow of the unknown. However, the true cause remains a mystery that continues to shroud Tiltepec, the village of the blind, in an enigma as deep and inscrutable as the darkness itself. Imagine living in perpetual darkness. This is the reality for the residents of Tiltepec, a place where the sun shines, but the people cannot see it. In this unique village, the absence of sight has given rise to an extraordinary adaptation. The residents have developed a heightened sense of touch, hearing, and smell to navigate their world. Every stone, every path, every tree they recognize through touch. The rustle of leaves or the trickle of a nearby stream serves as their compass. The scent of a blooming flower or the aroma of cooking from a neighbor's kitchen provides them with an intimate connection to their surroundings. Life in Tiltepec is by no means easy. Every day, the residents face challenges that most of us can't even begin to comprehend. Simple tasks like cooking, cleaning, or just moving around can seem like a mountain to climb. Yet, they face these challenges with an unwavering spirit, turning obstacles into opportunities. The houses in Tiltepec, 70 in total, are windowless, not by design, but by necessity. It's a stark reminder of the world they live in. Yet, within these walls, life thrives. Families cook together, children play, and the elderly share tales of yesteryears. It's a community that, despite living in darkness, is filled with light. The light of resilience, of unity, and of hope. The few who still retain their sight play a crucial role in the community. They assist the blind in their daily tasks and serve as a bridge to the world beyond Tiltepec. Their stories and descriptions become the sight for the blind, painting a picture of the world outside. Despite their challenges, the residents of Tiltepec continue to persevere. In the face of adversity, they found a way to adapt and thrive, demonstrating an incredible testament to the indomitable human spirit. Their lives are a poignant reminder that even in darkness, there is always a way to find light. Despite their challenges, the residents of Tiltepec continue to persevere. The mystery of Tiltepec leaves us with many unanswered questions. In this pursuit of understanding, numerous investigations and studies have sprung up around the enigma that is Tiltepec. Scientists, anthropologists, and curious minds from all corners of the world are drawn to this unique village, seeking to unravel its secrets. Some researchers have honed in on the Labhajuela tree, the focal point of local folklore. They're studying its biological characteristics, its surroundings, and its potential to emit harmful substances that could lead to loss of sight. An intriguing hypothesis, yet it's one that is yet to yield conclusive results. In another line of investigation, toxic flies have become the subject of intense scrutiny. Is it possible that these seemingly harmless insects carry a toxin potent enough to cause blindness? Studies are being conducted to understand their biology and their potential role in this baffling phenomenon. Meanwhile, other theories have also been proposed. Some suggest environmental factors, perhaps a unique combination of elements present only in Tiltepec, could be the cause. Others speculate about a genetic predisposition among the villagers, a hereditary trait that makes them susceptible to losing their sight. But as we delve into each theory, we find that each one raises as many questions as it answers. For every hypothesis put forward, there are counter-arguments and anomalies that cannot be easily explained. The truth still eludes us, hidden somewhere in the shadows of uncertainty. Yet, amidst all these unanswered questions and ongoing investigations, the daily life in Tiltepec continues. The villagers carry on, adapting to their unique circumstances, their resilience shining through the darkness that has become their world. As we continue to seek answers, the residents of Tiltepec serve as a stark reminder of the fragility of our senses. Their story is a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and endure, even in the face of the most perplexing mysteries and harshest realities.